What is the study of the stars and planets called? Astronomy. Who sits in the cockpit of an airplane? Pilot. What can bring astronauts to space? Spacecraft. What do we use to launch a space shuttle? A rocket. What force makes humans stay on the Earth? Gravity. What stellar system does the Earth belong to? Solar system. Which systems do planets such as Earth and Mars belong to? Solar system. In solar system, which planet can support life? Earth. What thing shines at night in the sky and uses its own brightness? Stars. Which of these was last to be explored, the Himalayas, the Moon or Australia? The Moon. In the solar system, which heavenly body produces sunshine? Sun. What is the source of solar energy? The sun. Which one is the renewable energy, solar energy or fuel energy? Solar energy. What does the sun do during dusk? Sunset. What does the sun do during dawn? Sunrise. In which direction does the sun come up? East. What is the opposite side that sun rises? West. What do you call the line that the Earth travels around the sun? Orbit. What do we call it when the Moon completely blocks out the light from the sun? A solar eclipse. What do you call equipment we use to look at stars? Telescope. A planet or a galaxy that is very distant can be seen with what device? Telescope. What do you call a piece of equipment we use to look at stars? Astronomical telescope. What do you need to see things which are far away? Binoculars. What piece of equipment shows a person what direction they are traveling? Compass. What is the device that shows the time of the day according to the shadow of sunlight? Sundial. What does a sundial measure? Time.